Now the last part of the compulsory question, 1D, it talks of make and buy decision, and this is a 5-mark area. So friend, the art of proper reading the question is very crucial. So let's read the question properly, understand the requirement. So if you read the question, it says PQ Limited manufactures and sells a range of products. So it is selling multiple products. For one of products, 2000 units of a component is budgeted. The details are provided in terms of cost per unit. For direct material, direct labor, variable overhead, allocated fixed overhead. So you have total production cost per unit given. Softtech Limited has offered to supply the component at a guaranteed price of rupees 25,000 per unit. If the component is not manufactured by PQ Limited, all the direct labor thus released can be employed in increasing the production by 1600 units of the existing product, which it uses 50 of this type of direct labor per unit. So the question says you have per unit cost detail provided and there is a guaranteed price of rupees 25,000 per unit. If manufacturing is not done, in that case direct labor can be used for increasing the production by 1600 units of an existing product K. And what it gives further detail about K? It uses 50 of this type of direct labor hour per unit. K is sold for rupees 45,000 per unit and it has a marginal cost of production of rupees 30,000 per unit and has sufficient market demand. Now, very crucial thing, the direct labor cannot be retrenched or recruited for next 2 production period. From financial perspective, use incremental cost analysis to advise whether to make or buy component for the forthcoming production period. It's a little lengthy question from 5 marks perspective. So we are going to solve this question together. To make it, you have to create a format, the suitable format for it. So we are going to make statement of make and buy decision. Based on incremental analysis for 2000 units. Do it slowly with me. The format is make cost, buy cost, amount in terms of rupees. Details will appear here. So this is the format what we are going to use, friend. So in terms of details, the direct material will come here first. This will be in terms of rupees 1 crore 60 lakhs. You add direct labor. This is 1 crore 20 lakh. Add variable overhead 60 lakh. In terms of total amount, if you take, this becomes 3 crore 40 lakh. Now you can purchase it from market also. It is 5 crore. If you don't want to do it internally, but there will be use of productive resource towards K. You will be contribution will come for product K. It will be 45,000 minus 30,000 for 1600 units. So this will be 2 crore 40 lakh. So it will amount to 2 crore 60 lakh. Therefore, the cost differential out of 2 will be 80 lakhs rupees. For 2000 units, this amount is 80 lakh rupees. So for 1 unit, it is 80 lakh divided by 2000 unit. This becomes rupees 4,000. So what is the analysis? The analysis is that if you go for incremental analysis, the per unit value is rupees 4,000, and this indicates that PQ Limited will incur 4,000 rupees per unit of additional cost. So PQ Limited should buy from the Softtech. So what is the decision? PQ should buy from Softtech. So this is the decision. What is the marks award? If you see, for this particular part up to here you have 1 mark, up to here you have 1 mark. This calculation carries 1 mark. This initial part of the presentation, this is 1 mark, the format part, and your decision, it carries 1 mark. This is how your 5 marks are organized. So this is point to point bifurcation of the marks. This is how your presentation should be. Thank you.